was just saying, newbies, welcome another rabbit hole with Cal Shoes. Just give me 1 second. We'll shut that off.
That's my going to bed face. Nah, you've got the right channel, guys. The guys that watched my video from last week, you'll understand what that's all about. We'll talk about that further later on. So today, we're just going to have a fun shave. I'm using a few different things. Another one of Richard Seaotter's gorgeous creations. This one is a loaner. I'm just the delivery boy. I'm taking it from one wet shaver to another. It was raffled off. And this is going to Kim Gordon in Fredericton, Ontario, Canada. Richard Seaotter, 28mm 2-band Badger. Randy of FCSC from First Canadian Shave makes the blanks. That is a stabilized hybrid resin. Just absolutely gorgeous. So we've got that soaking in the water. Today, you guys have seen this before. I haven't used it in quite a while. Also from Randy, First Canadian Shave, Blod of Dreki. I'm not sure which version this is, but the scent. I got the scent notes written down because I got a short memory and I can't keep track of anything. So, here's my pen notes, guys. We've got a blend of ambers and woods. Floral notes of rose and jasmine, intermingled with bergamot and patchouli, softened with vanilla and powder base, and a hint of spiced bourbon. More than a hint of spiced bourbon in there. Lovely, love that stuff. This is not his softest version. This one is a crope more, but he did have another version which is had a stronger scent to it. It was also a firmer or a softer soap. Of course, we have to have the matching splash. So, and we'll talk about that further after. Thirsty Badger, his travel, his V1 travel set. I'm going to be getting the V2 travel set very soon. So, this one is made specifically for the carved 3-inch. But today, first time using a Yaqi. And this is a very inexpensive one. This, they're calling it the Yaqi Beast Hybrid Easy Flow. Basically, it's a DOC, a dual open comb. I've also got a Weber. I believe that is about 3 1/8 inch. This is the wave handle. It's stainless steel, 3/16. Go to about 2.2 ounces with just a handle and about 3.3 ounces with the head. So we'll get this loaded up. Now, by comparison's sake, DLC, I've also got the PAA Ascension, the stainless steel Ascension. And I've also went out and bought a while ago Razor Rock SLOC, self-lubricating open comb. I like this, but I was actually expecting it to be a lot more aggressive. This one here was extremely mild. So I'll be curious to see how they compare. So, we got our brush soaking. Take a gulp. That'll be plenty. So just doing a very quick, just a fun shave. So I get a chance to use the brush before I take it to its owner. And that's just building really fast. So. I'm not exactly sure how many times this brush has been used from its previous owner. So it's probably not broken in yet, so it'll take a little bit. Great lather. If you guys haven't tried a 3D lather bowl, you've got to check it out. Jared and his wife make several 3D printed shaving accessories, and they also make the plans, the prints, the files downloadable, so you guys can get those as well for those that have a 3D printer or Attacki and into that stuff. So think we're good to go. I typically use a 24mm knot with my goatee. I find anything much bigger than that kind of a waste because it's like I said, the beards and the goatee's in the way. Well, this is a tallow-based soap, beef tallow. I will post some better pictures of this brush when I do the edits on this, but it's just so beautiful. Richard calls it the sea monster. I think it looks like a piece of coral in there and just the green. I know it's hard to see the colors and the textures and all that stuff, but we'll give this a Yaqi a try with a Paul Silver. Well, right off the top, it's a noisy little blade, or a little head. Yeah, I can definitely feel that head. Yeah, that's definitely aggressive. It's definitely got a feel to it. Between that and the Paul Silver. Yeah, oops, a few nicks over a few meters. But it's mowing this down, of course. Great scent on that soap. Like I said, I've used it before. I've used the aftershave, and the aftershave has almost cologne strength. The staying power of that, you'll be able to smell that several hours later. Randy makes a number of different scents with his company. I did a video there a few months ago about Dick and Cider. Also, you should check out my buddy Justin McIntyre, Red Island Shaver. He does a lot of reviews and videos using First Canadian Shave. I know it doesn't look like it's building up very well, but that brush is, like I said, not even broken. And once that brush is broken, and if I had a full face to work with, instead of trying to work on the goatee and the mustache there. But Mr. Kim is going to get a great brush. Randy and Richard have been doing some collaborations lately. Randy's been making the blanks. I don't know how he finds time to do it, but he's been making something beautiful. I've got the Coyote Cola that I used in the last video as well. Right off our hands. We're going to go in your heart across. Now this Yaqi head, I got it on the AliExpress website. I think it was $5.50 US. So just a very inexpensive head. Shipping is next to nothing from China, at least to Maine. I get a lot of stuff shipped in the Maine because I truck. and I get to go to Maine every week or so. Shipping is so much cheaper. So whoever sells those handles, they consider them blemished, and I believe it was $10 on eBay. So significant savings that way. Oops. Testament to how aggressive that razor head is, or my lack of skill. And I'll post links down below in the description for all these different products. Yeah, definitely not the smoothest I've ever had, but very aggressive. Very aggressive. Probably one of the most aggressive I have. And I have the middle R41 and so I don't know if it's just the head, which they do advertise as being quite aggressive, or if it's a combination of the head with pulse silver, but very aggressive. I'm not messing around with my Adam's apple. Taking it very easy around that. Guys, we're back and all cleaned up. I gotta free up lock this and there we go. So, get it washed out of my beard. Get the blood mostly washed off my face. A couple of good weepers there, so the matching splash. And I forgot to check beforehand. Distilled witch hazel. Okay, so it's not alcohol based. So, actually, I know that this has got great staying power. Now, several months ago, my buddy Distorted Edge Shaving, Jason Bryan, did a video. I don't remember if it was this version of the Blod Dreki or not. I don't recall. But I remember him mentioning that his wife didn't like it. She found that it wasn't really her thing. So, when I'm done doing this video, I'm going to go downstairs and snuggle up to my girlfriend and see what type of reaction I get. Hopefully, it's a positive reaction because I love this stuff. Oh. Great scent. That stuff is just amazing, Randy. Thank you very much. I almost feel like there might be a little bit of menthol in it too, but I love that. And finishing touch. One of my subscribers suggested a few months ago that I grow my stash. So it's coming in quite full. So what I've had to do is go out and get mustache wax. I'm trying a new brand I just bought from Phoenix Artisan. Right here. I find it very firm, so if I get noisy, I'm going to heat it up with a hair dryer. Just enough that I can get in there. Scrape a bit with my thumbnail. Different variant last week, but I recently ordered this and I find it's got a much firmer hold. So we're giving that a try. I don't know what we're going to do with this thing yet, but we're going to keep it for now, other than when I'm done eating it. So anyway guys, today was first Canadian shave. What a Dreki. Amazing stuff. You gotta check it out. Richard Seaotter, 28mm 2-band badger. Stabilized hybrid resin. The blanket of hybrid the cat. First Canadian shave as well. 3D level. version 1 from Thirsty Badger. Jared Francais on the way in tonight. It's a little bit rough because it's coming up on dusk. Very dark on my time. So this one's a complete set. I'm certainly going to fit my 3-inch carve. We also used a Yaqi. I'm going to call it a DLC. They're calling it something else, but it's a dual open cone. Very inexpensive. Paul Silver, twice used, and a blemished, or sold as blemished, Weber, the stainless steel 316 wave, 2.2 ounces. So, few nicks, nothing I'm concerned about. Don't need to call the doctor yet. So, very aggressive. And of course, the stache wax. Dandy Candy, like I said, from PAA. So, anyway, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Taking the time every day. Comments, your suggestions, good, bad, indifferent. Please don't hesitate to leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. From time to time, I do giveaways. So, anyway, you guys have yourself an awesome week, and we'll see you again in a few days. Take care.